Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is fertilization and post-fertilization in humans. What is exactly meant by fertilization? To put it simply students, it is when the fusion of nucleus of the sperm occurs with the nucleus of the egg, also known as the ovum. This fusion of sperm with the egg leads to the formation of the unicellular zygote, and this process, students, is known as fertilization. Now, let us go through the process of fertilization. As we know, millions and millions of sperms are released into the vagina or into the female reproductive tract during intercourse. Now, of those sperms, only a few sperms are able to reach the upper part of the oviduct, while many of them, actually most of them, die on the way and are absorbed. After this, students, the egg present in the oviduct gets fertilized by only one sperm. The tail of the sperm remains outside, and only the head part of the sperm, which contains the nucleus, completely penetrates into the egg. Students, after this, what is formed is known as the zygote. The zygote slowly divides and redivides and turns into an embryo, after which the process of implantation occurs. Students, the development of the fertilized egg, that is the zygote, starts and forms a small ball of numerous cells while reaching the uterus. Let us call this small ball of numerous cells as the embryo. Students, the implantation is a process wherein this ball, which we are calling the embryo, gets fixed to the wall of the uterus. It is said that this is the process which creates the state of pregnancy. Meaning, after implantation, we can say that the female is pregnant. Students, this implantation or the fixing of embryo in the wall of the uterus is very important, so that the embryo can start getting nutrition directly from the mother's body.
To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.